Hello students, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be learning about rank of a right. So before starting rank, I would like to tell you about submatrix and minor. Submatrix. Consider you are having a matrix 1, 3, 5, 8, 9. Okay, this is a matrix. If I delete some rows or some column or both, right? For example, if I remove this row and this column, we would be having this matrix, right? 5, 6, 9, 0. This matrix is known as submatrix of given matrix, right? And if I find out its determinant which is equal to determinant which is equal to 5 into 0 minus 6 into 9, which is minus 54, right? It is known as, that is, determinant of submatrix is known as minor of given matrix. Okay, so this is all about submatrix. And so you see here, minor can be of order 3, right? Because full matrix is also submatrix of itself. Therefore minor can be of 3 by 3. In this case minor could be of 3 by 3, 2 by 2, and 1 by 1. Okay, like if you take these elements separately, 1 or 2, it is also submatrix of A of order 1 by 1, and minor of this is 2 only, right? Minor of this submatrix is, right? So this is minor of 1 by, so this is what we call submatrix or submatrix and minor. So submatrix can be defined as a matrix obtained from A after deleting some rows or columns or both. So this is the definition of submatrix. And how you are going to define minor? You can say determinant of R rho square matrix, square submatrix, okay, of a matrix A is called minor of order, right? Okay, determinant of submatrix, okay, determinant of submatrix of R by R order is called minor of order R of, okay. So this is minor. Now let us define what is, okay, rank of a rank. It is denoted by row of rank of, means rank of matrix, okay. A number R is said to be rank of, is said to be rank of rank of a non-zero matrix A if there exist if there exist at least, okay, rank would be R if there exist at least one minor of order R which does not which does not vanish. Okay, which does not vanish means which is not equal to 0. Secondly, every minor of order every minor of order R plus 1 if any अगर हैं तो वो भी 0 होने, वो 0 होने चाहिए. they should vanish. Okay, so let me illustrate this with the help of example. Okay, so see here, let us take this matrix 4 2 3 8 5 2 12 minus 4 and 5. This is a matrix. We want to find out what is the rank of. Okay, so firstly we are going to find out a minor, okay, which is not equal to 0. Okay, so turn by turn there would be many minor in this case. Firstly, you see 3 by 3. Minor of 3 by 3 is only full matrix. Okay, full matrix. Minor of order 3 by 3 would be 4 2 3 8 5 2 12 minus 4 5. Okay, its determinant would be minor of order 3 by 3, which is equal to, I'm not calculating, I'm just writing it directly, you just calculate by yourself, which would be equal to minus 176. Obviously it is not equal to 0, therefore this minor is not vanishing. Okay, it is not equal to 0, so there is chance that 3 could be the rank of this matrix. But second definition says any minor, okay, any minor of order r plus 1 if any अगर हैं तो वो कितना होना चाहिए 0. Since there is no minor of 4 by 4 here, 5 by 5 here, because this matrix is only having order 3 by 3, so there is no possibility of minor whose order is 4 by 4, right? So therefore we can, there is no minor, and we have gotten at least one minor of order 3 which is not vanishing. Okay, which is not vanishing, therefore we can say rank of A is equal to, okay, so 3 is the rank of the. Now you see one more example here. A is equal to 2 3 3. Okay, 3 6 12 2 4. Okay, this is the matrix. Firstly, minor of 3 by 3 is 1 only, 2 3 3 2 3 3 3 6 12 2 4 8. Okay, If you calculate this, it would be equal to 0. Okay, so this is not vanishing, this is not equal to 0, therefore rank is smaller than 3. Okay, uh, we will be stopping where we find minor which is not vanishing. Here minor is vanishing, right? So therefore this is not the possibility. There is no possibility that the rank would be 3. Okay, so let us try to find out minor of order 2 by 2. Okay, there are many minor of order 2 by 2, like you see 2 3 6 3 2 3 3. Okay, and 3 3 6 12, and 3 6 2 4. Okay, and so on. See, this is equal to 12 minus 9, which is equal to 3. So this minor is not vanishing, right? So 2 is the rank. And you see, if there is any minor of order greater than 2, which is this, so it is vanishing. Okay, so this is the definition. R would be rank if minor of order R is not vanishing, and minor of order R plus 1 or greater is vanishing. So this is the we have got at least one minor of order 2 which is not vanishing, therefore we will be saying that rank of A would be. Okay, so this is it. Okay, one more example I'm going to for you. Here A is equal to 2 3 5 4 6 10, and minus 8 minus 12 minus 20. Okay, okay, so see here, minor of order 3 by 3 is equal to 2 2 3 5 4 6 10 minus 8 12 minus 20, which is equal to 0. Now see, you see minor of 3 by 3, oh sorry, 2 by 2. Okay, first minor is 2 3 4 6. Okay, it is equal to 0. Second, you see this and this. Okay, second minor is 3 5 6 10. Obviously 3 tens are 36, 5s are 30, so it is also 0. And you see every minor of 2 by 2 in this case is 0. So rank is not 2, it is even smaller than 2. Okay, you just check it out, all the minor in this case is vanishing. You take this and this, like this and this thing. Okay, it is equal to 2 3 minus 8 minus 12, which is equal to minus 24 minus 24, which is equal to 0 again. So every minor of 2 by 2 is vanishing here. So you see, but minor of 1 by 1 is 2, minor of 1 by 1 is 3, minor of 1 by 1 is 5. So these are not vanishing. Okay, at least there are one minor. You can take this, take this, take the one. Okay, so minor of 1 by 1 is not vanishing, which is equal to 2. So therefore we can say rank of A is equal to 1. Okay, so this is the case here. Now let us take few more examples. based on rank. Okay, for 4. Find the rank of find find the rank of matrix A equal to 1 2 3 4 0 minus 1 or 2. Okay, see here matrix A is equal to 1 2 3 4 0 minus 1 4 2, right? So you see it could have only minor of 2 by 2 or and minor of 1 by 1, right? So see here minor 2 by 2 minor is this, first minor is this. Okay, 1 minus 1 minus 2, which is equal to, so see here now you can write, since there is a minor, the minor of 2 by 2, which is 1 2 0 1, which is equal to minus 1 minus 2, which is minus 3, which is not minus 1 minus 1 0. Okay, which is minus 1, which is not equal to 0. Therefore we can say rank of A is equal to, right, because there is no possibility that it would be having minor of 3 by 3. Okay, and also you see we are having at least one minor of 2 by 2, which is not vanishing. So rank of this matrix is 2 by 2 on. Okay, one more example. Find the rank of rank of matrix A is equal to 0 6 6 1 minus 8 7 2 3 minus 2 3 0 1 and minus 3 2 1 1, right? You see it could be having, it would be having minor of 4 by 4 3 by 3 2 by 2 and 1 by 1. Firstly you see minor of 4 by 4 is determinant of A, which is equal to 0 6 1 6 6 1 minus 8 7 2 3 minus 2 3 0 1 minus 3 2 1 1. Okay, 4 by 4 matrix, you know how to find out its determinant. Make one row. Okay, operate. Okay, I'm gonna do what, I'm gonna make this 0, this also 0, using the column 4. Okay, so for this I will have to apply these operations. First operation on column 2, column 2 would be 0 when I subtract column 2 from 6 times column 4, and column 3 will be also 0. I mean to say first element of the column 3 would be 0 if I subtract it from 6 times, and now it would be, determinant of A would be equal to 0 minus 8 minus 2 minus 3. Okay, it would be 0, and subtraction from the 6 time a, 7 minus 18, it would be minus 11, minus 3, minus 4, 0, and 2 minus 6 time 3, which is equal to 2 minus 18, which is minus 16. Similarly, minus 6, minus 5, and the last column would be same. Okay, so it would be 3, 1, 3 right now, 3, 1, 1. Okay, now if you want to find out its determinant, okay, same process. Okay, 0 time this and this, 0 time this and okay, this and this. Okay, so it would be finally it is equal to 1 time determinant of minus 8, because rest of the 3 entries are 0, minus 8, minus 11, 16, minus 2, minus 3, minus 6, minus 3, minus 4, and minus 5, which is equal to, okay, 0. You just calculate it, and it would be 0. I have already calculated this, so it is equal to, see here, since it is equal to 0, therefore rank of this matrix is not 4, it could be 3, 2, or something else. Okay, but you see, I'm gonna tell you minor of this matrix. Okay, you see, this is the minor of this matrix, right? Now 0, 6, 1. Okay, 0, 6, 1. If you and minus 8, 7, 3. Okay, minus 2, 3. Okay, so I have excluded second column here, not second column but third column here, right? Third column has been deleted, and third row has been deleted. Okay, so whatever is the whatever left is here. Okay, which is the submatrix of given matrix, and its determinant we know is called minor, which is equal to, this is equal to 2. Okay, I have already calculated it, so which is not equal to 0, therefore we have got at least one minor of 3 by 3, which is not equal to 0. And also you see minor of greater than order greater than 3, that is 4, is 0, therefore we can say rank of the given matrix is 3. Okay, rank of the matrix is one more simple more problem. Find a, so that the rank of the rank of a equal to a 0, 1, 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3 is less than. Okay, also find the rank of these, also find the rank for these values of, right? So here a is equal to a 0, 1, 1, 2, a, and 1, 2, 3, right? and given is rank of, we have to find A in such a way that rank of A is less than 3. It means see, since rank of A is less than, okay, less than 3, strictly less than 3, it means rank of A could be 1 or, okay, if rank of A is 1 or 2, it means minor of order 3 by 3. This implies minor of order 3 must vanish, right? Minor of 3 by 3 in this case is full matrix. Determinant of, there, this implies A 0 1 1 2 A 1 2 3 is equal to 0, right? So therefore now if you calculate, this determinant would be equal to 6A minus 2A square, which is equal to 0. Since determinant is equal to 0, therefore it must be also equal to 0. Now you take 2 outside and A outside, 2 on the other side, so it would become A time A minus 3 is equal to 0. So this implies A is equal to 2 or A is equal to 3. So we thus have find out the value of A such that rank of A is less than equal to 3, less than equal to 3, less than on strictly less than 3. Now we have been also asked to find the rank for all the values of A. Okay, so first case 1, when A is equal to 0, the matrix would be, when A is equal to 0, matrix would become 0 0 1 1 2 0 1 2 3. Okay, now see, one second, working fully today. See here, case 1. Okay, case 1, A is equal to 0, therefore matrix would become 0 0 1 1 2 0 1 2 3, right? Here you are having, see, if you take this minor, it is 0, but we can find out some minor in this case which is not equal to 0, and this minor is, okay, so here determinant of 2 0 2 3 is equal to 6, which is not equal to 0. This implies rank of A is equal to his, right? Now case number 2, case 2, when a is equal to 3, right? So here if a is equal to 3, matrix A would become 3 0 1 1 2 3 1 2 3, and here also you can find out this minor which is not equal to, which is which is not vanishing or which is not equal to 0. Here you write 3 0 1 2, determinant of this is equal to 6 again, which is not equal to 0. Therefore rank of A when A is equal to 3 is equal to 2 again. Okay, in this way you can find out, in this way we have found out the rank of given, right?